Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about eBay. And who don't know eBay? eBay is an online marketplace where people can buy and sell a wide variety of goods from electronics, clothing to collections and cars. It's like an online garage sales or flea market. Let's head to the website and create our account. So where to create the account? Here. No. Here. Register. Wait, I didn't click. Okay, this was fast. Let's sign up with Google account. And click on the email and wait. So one of the benefits of using eBay is that you can often find items at the lower price than you would in a traditional store. You can also find unique or rare items that may not be available elsewhere. However, it's important to be cautious when using eBay. You should always read the item description carefully and check the seller's feedback rating to make sure they have a good reputation. Yes, the reputation matters. Additionally, you should be aware of any shipping or handling fees that may be added to the cost of the item. So before checking out, you need to make sure of these things. Here you need your address, additional information if you have. So let's generate an address, the city, the providence, the postal code, the mobile number. No, I think this, as I remember. No thanks. And let's wait. So this is the summary of your account. You can here search for everything. So for me, I prefer giving an example by lighters. Let's look for some lighters on eBay. Ooh, the mini torch lighters. As I said, you can find things that are unique, rare items. So see this little mini torch? It's the size of a nail. Here we have a double stick brass. We have lighter with clock. I don't think this is a lighter. Here we have the blacks. We have a cigarette lighter, cool, unique cigarette lighter. Watch for man. Awesome. We have here the flint to fill the lighter. Here we have a little gun lighter for $1. Here we have the tin lighter and okay, we will jump this and other cool lighters. Let's go back to the pistol lighter. So as I said, you should be careful of reading the feedback, the rating, the description, and all of the information. Used an item that has been used previously. See the seller's listing. So this lighter is already used. It has 0 bids. Bytes. The shipping is for $13. The delivery between it will take uh, almost, let's say, 20 days. The payments here, seller do not accept return. So be really careful of buying things like this. So let's go back and see the settings. My eBay, save it seller, save it search, the eBay vault, sell it my garage. You can start sell it by yourself. Here we have the account settings, payment information, account preference, donation preference. We have here the personal information, the singing and out security. Please sign in again to make change to your account. So you will see in your account just by the name. You can sign up again to edit it. So those are the daily deals that almost everyone buys. So overall, eBay can be a convenient and affordable way to buy and sell products online, but it's important to take some precautions to ensure that you have positive experience. So here we have the daily deals. Let's go down to see. We have something weird. We have consoles. We have Nintendo Switch, PCs and laptops. We have Apple, iPhone 12 Pro. We have watches, shoes, trainers, video game and consoles. We have men's shoes, women's shoes, fashion, fashion for women, toys and collections, health and beauty, computer and tablets. We have audio and musical instruments, parts and accessories, and others. Those are only the daily deals. You can check for more features. Here we have the home page. That's the same thing we were at. So here you can check and shop by categories. You can look for a category and start seeing about it. We have computers and tablets. Let's take it as an example. So, as I said, eBay is like a garage selling in your garage sale. So, some of the products are already used, some of them are not. You have to be careful while reading, while choosing what are you going to buy. And I think that's it for today. Keep searching, keep uh, traveling, take an adventure to on this website, see what you need, see what you don't need, and do your cautions. Be aware of anything that's strange or weird. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.